One key thing is that this only works in sighted individuals, which would then deduce that someone who is blind is not considered conscious by this test, which we know to be untrue. It also assumes normal facial recognition. So if you have prosopagnosia, which is the inability to recognize faces, you're going to fail this test regardless. But it's also a test that's created by humans because vision is our primary dominant sense. And we've just enforced it and forced it upon animals. So animals don't spend as much time looking at themselves in the mirror like humans do. So there's some slight variations of this test that have since evolved. Things like a sniff test of self-recognition for dogs, since dogs have a stronger reliance on smell than they do vision. So there are some different offshoots. This isn't a direct, perfect test of consciousness. But that's how you might do it for an organism. What about a machine? I don't know how deeply you've ever thought about whether a robot is conscious or not, but there is a test called the Turing test developed by Alan Turing to kind of try to answer this question. And the main takeaway of this test, I'll put an optional video down below if you want to learn more about it. You don't really need to know the details of it for this class, but if you're interested. They're basically wondering whether or not they could train a robot to fool a human. So if you cannot distinguish between a human's responses and a robot's responses, then that robot is exhibiting similar consciousness awareness, so they say, as humans are. So again, jury's still out. This is new concepts here, but check out the video if you're interested.